In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Adobe After Effects slow playback issues. Many of us love to create stunning visuals and animations in After Effects, but sluggish playback can really slow down our creative process. Don't worry, I've got you covered with some simple steps to speed things up and make your workflow smoother. First, open your project and head over to the Composition panel. Here, you'll notice a resolution drop-down menu. This drop-down controls the quality at which your composition is previewed. Although it's tempting to keep it at full for the best image quality, reducing it can significantly improve your playback speed. To do this effectively, set the resolution to half or even quarter. This will substantially lighten the load on your computer's resources and allow for quicker playback, without compromising too much on what you see during editing. Next up, take a look at the options near your resolution dropdown. You'll find the Fast Draft or Adaptive Resolution button. Clicking on the Fast Draft option can help by rendering previews at a lower quality, which speeds things up. If available, Adaptive Resolution might work even better. It automatically adjusts the quality based on your system's performance, aiming to maintain the best balance between playback speed and quality. Now, let's dive into some edits you can make within the menu. Navigate to the Edit menu located at the top of your After Effects window. From the drop-down that appears, keep an eye out for the Purge submenu. Within Purge, select Purge All Memory and Disk Cache. This option is a lifesaver if your system is bogged down by cached frames. These frames can stack up during your editing sessions and unnecessarily tax your computer's performance, slowing down playback. Once you've chosen to purge, a confirmation prompt will likely appear. Go ahead and confirm to clear out these cached frames. It helps in freeing up system memory, allowing After Effects to run more efficiently. This step is often overlooked, yet it's crucial for maintaining swift playback in your projects. By following these steps, you can dramatically improve playback performance in Adobe After Effects, giving you more time to focus on being creative rather than troubleshooting technical issues. Each of these actions, from reducing resolution to purging caches, works in conjunction to lighten the load on your system. So next time you find yourself struggling with slow playback, remember these tips and you'll be back to smooth, seamless editing in no time. Thanks for tuning in and happy animating.